Hey everybody, Hunter Beecham here. I'm the Executive Vice President and co-owner of F3 Technologies. Behind me, we're getting set up for our industry party here at Bandit in Chicago. Every single year, we have a lot of like-minded individuals that we can kind of get together and really kind of have that understanding of who we are, what we do, and really build those kind of connections.
I'm Dan Diaz from F3. We are here at Bandit Liquors in Fulton Market of my hometown, Chicago, Illinois. I love knowing that people love our parties. I was out all weekend. I hear I'm saving myself for tomorrow night. I'm saving myself for Monday night. Everyone knows that F3 throws a great party with great partners, and it just excites me.
We've got a lot of great sponsors here. Kelowna AI, Sauce, Push Operations, Atmosphere TV. They're all really, really close with F3. They believe in our product. They believe in our ideas.
Hi, my name is John Smolin, and I'm the SVP of Sales and Customer Support at Atmosphere TV. Atmosphere is the #1 TV streaming service made specifically for businesses. So we make awesome content, 30+ channels. They're all designed to be audio optional and really entertaining to play for people in your bar or restaurant when there's not live sports on. One of the best things about the hospitality industry is the people in it, and we always love to find other great people. Dan's a great partner at F3. Being the connectors, being the installers of technologies. They know all kinds of people all over the industry. And it's a huge endorsement to have someone like Dan and F3 welcome us to the party tonight and get to celebrate 2000 style.
Hello everybody, I'm Maria John. I'm the co-founder and CEO at Kelowna AI. Kelowna is an AI agent that can help answer phone calls 24/7, answer text, and just always be there when your guests call, either have a question, make reservations, place a takeout or delivery order, we're there for you. We also share the same mission to really help restaurateurs succeed. I can't be happier to be here.
I'm Liran, founder and CEO at Sauce, GetSauce.com. At Sauce, we have restaurant build a thriving and successful online business, primarily to build direct-to-consumer brand that is profitable and successful, to make their customer connect directly with them, rather to somebody in the middle. Why we love to have parties like this is, first, this is very much how we feel and how we want to be part of something that is big and celebrate together. We have a lot of partners here, a lot of customers here, and we love to have fun because you live once, so we want to share it with everybody together. Thanks everybody for coming for the party, the night out, the end of the NRA show.